How to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable in your region to comply with regulations. Let's kick things off. Open your browser and head to roblox.com. Once you've landed on the Roblox website, proceed to sign into your existing account. After a successful login, your Roblox homepage will come into view. Now, look towards the upper right-hand corner for the settings icon. Give it a click to access the settings menu. Within this menu, a range of options awaits: account info, security, privacy, billing, parental controls, and app permissions. For now, we're diving into the privacy section. You can either retain the default settings or opt to disable specific features. In the communication section, ensure your friends are included or tailor it to your liking, excluding the no one option. Alternatively, in the other settings section, verify that the accept no one option isn't selected. Rest assured, changes will save seamlessly. Moving on, let's explore parental controls. If you have children or are aiming for enhanced security, activating a parent PIN is advised. As for allowed experiences, set them to all ages. To enable the parent PIN, input and confirm your email. Once the PIN is set, you can make adjustments as needed. Should these steps prove ineffective, a VPN might be the solution. Free VPN extensions are readily available on Google Chrome. Opt for a different country using the VPN to see if it resolves the issue. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide for today. I hope you found this tutorial valuable. Thank you for tuning in.